All right. We talked about that a strategy to use to solve a word problem was read, draw, and write. So read the problem, draw a picture to solve, and then write a sentence to answer. All right, so let's read this problem. Farmer Jones had some pumpkins for sale. Bobby's family bought 23 pumpkins for the school carnival. Then Farmer Jones had 38 pumpkins left to sell. How many pumpkins did Farmer Jones have before? All right, pause the video and read this in your brain to yourself one more time, or have your adult read it to you. Okay, so I read it twice, once with you and once in my brain by myself, and then I'm going to draw out a way to solve this, okay? So I imagine that Farmer Brown was over here and he had a truck full of pumpkins, okay? Or, excuse me, Farmer Jones. Okay, then Bobby's family bought 23. So they took 23 after they paid for them. And then Farmer Jones is left with 38. The question is, how many pumpkins did Farmer Jones have before? How many pumpkins did he have before Bobby's family came and bought the 23? All right, so this is one way to look at it. This would be a number sentence. Some number minus 23 equals 38. All right, here's another way to look at it. Farmer Jones had an amount that we don't know how many that was. Bobby's family bought 23, and there were 38 left. So if you take the 23 that Bobby's family bought and the 38 that are left, it will tell you how many he started with. All right, so I want you to pause the video again, and I want you to try to solve this. You can draw a picture, you can do it in your mind, you can do a number sentence, however you want to solve it. And then when you press play, I'm going to show you how I would solve it. So what I would have done is I would have taken 23 and added 38 to get the total. 23 plus 38. Okay. I am going to use the trick of making a 10. 38 needs 2. So we got 38. And I'm going to take 2 away from 23 and make this 40. Okay, so I'm going to do 38 plus 2. There goes our lights again. So can you see it well enough? I think you can. All right, 38 plus 2 equals 40. And then if I had 23 and I took 2 away, 23, 22, 21, I have 21 left. So I'm going to do 40 plus 21 is 40, and 20 is 60. 0 and 1 is 1. So I think that Farmer Jones had 61 pumpkins to start with. So my sentence would be, the farmer started with 61 pumpkins. So the strategy that I used here would be to make a 10. If that strategy is not working for you yet, let me show you a different way. So if I take this number sentence, I'm going to show you a different way in this box. Okay, 23 plus 38. Let's break it into place value. Okay, 23, 38. All right, let's add the tens together. All right, if I know that 2 plus 3 is 5, then I know that 20 plus 30 is 50. And then I'm going to add 3 plus 8, which is 11. And then I'm going to add 50 plus 11 to get 61. So again, I got the same answer.